Alright guys, thanks for joining me for another flashlight review video. Today's video is sponsored by and sent to me by gearbest.com. I am going to have a link below in the description, and they are offering a special discount code for the viewers of this video. So I invite you definitely to check that out. Today we're going to review the Rofis TC1. It's a keychain mini EDC flashlight. And you know, I've been doing a lot of videos lately on throwers. And I thought it'd be nice to change up the pace a little bit and review some smaller EDC type flashlights. So this is the first one I'll be reviewing. Both the flashlights I have are by Rofis, and both of them kindly sent to me by gearbest.com, which I greatly appreciate. Alright, so this is the front of the box. We'll go through everything here shortly. And let's see if I can get it focused in there properly. Alright. You can always pause if you want to read everything. The back of the box. Alright, it says Rofis there, and here it just tells you what it includes. Includes the flashlight with a pre-installed lithium-ion battery that's rechargeable, charging cable, USB, a keychain ring, user manual, and warranty card. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. Sorry, the autofocus doesn't seem to be working that great. Alrighty, on my phone here. Make sure I got everything out of the box. Alright, box is empty. You got everything out of there. Alright, real quick, let's see. I have a warranty card in here somewhere. There it is. So let's show you the warranty card real fast. Warranty card. The warranty is for 1 year on this flashlight. Okay. You would just fill this out here. And the back. Alright. And the user manual. Now the modes, you got low 2 lumens for 120 minutes, mid 30 lumens for 70 minutes, high 120 lumens for 3 minutes, and it'll drop down to 65 lumens for 45 minutes. Okay. And let's see here. There we go. And that's it, and then it's just going to go into a different language. Okay. And let's see here. You're going to get keychain ring to attach it to your keychain. Okay, you can see it in there. You're going to get a USB mini charging cable for it, included in the box. And now for the flashlight itself. The Rofis TC1. Very nice. Definitely a different design from what I've seen. I was given a keychain flashlight a couple Christmases ago, but the one thing I didn't like about it is that I had to keep buying batteries for it, which I really prefer the lithium-ion batteries. It is touch button operated. Okay, it has kind of a diffuser on the lens. Let's go over some of the information here on this. It has a Cree XPG3 LED, and it has advanced touch control. It has a small 10180 lithium-ion rechargeable battery inside. Okay, it has a high-transmittance PMMA lens. It helps basically make the beam softer and less harmful to your eyes. Made out of a premium aluminum alloy. It's a military spec Har3 anodized to be scratch resistant on the outside, which is very nice. Does have a battery level indicator with low battery warning. Alright, has a breather mode. Okay, breather mode is you just touch it real quick and it will just glow on and off until you tap it again. Nice thing about this is if you had your keys or whatever and you needed to find your keys or something, you could have this thing glowing and be able to find your keys. So that's very useful. Alright, turn that off for now. Quick tap there. It's IPX6 water resistant, which means that basically it is going to withstand heavy rain and splashing. You just can't submerge it, but I don't think too many people are going to be diving anytime soon with their keys. Okay. USB mini rechargeable, went over that. It has a lockout function. We will go over that. 1 meter impact resistant. As I said, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Now, available colors. It's not the LED color, it's the housing color. So the colors is black, which you see here, red, gray, blue, and OD green. So those are the color choices for the outside housing. But the LED is always going to be white. You can't get a different color LED, just FYI, for those that might be curious. The battery level indicator, solid blue, battery's over 80%. Breathing blue, sort of like you just saw for the breathing mode, is 20% or over if it's breathing blue. And if it's flickering red, it's less than 20% charge on the battery. Time to recharge it. When charging it, the back button here will light up red while it's charging, and it will be blue once it is charged. Now the UI is pretty simple on this. In order to get it on, you're going to press it down for 1 second, and it will turn on. To cycle through, I think it's on low now. So low, you tap it again, mid, high, and if you tap it again, it actually drops to the 65 lumens before it goes back to the 2 lumens. And to turn it off, you just hold it down and it turns off. To lock it out, you're going to hold the touch button for 3 seconds, and you should see a flash. So let's do that now. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, a little bit longer than that. Okay, now it's locked out. Doesn't do anything. If you touch it or whatever, this prevents you from accidentally touching your keychain and causing the breather mode or anything else to happen. You don't have to worry about that. Obviously, to undo it, you're going to hold it down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, about 3 seconds, I guess. Okay, and it comes back on. And to turn it off, or cycle through, to turn it off, you're just going to hold it down for a moment and it'll turn off. Okay. Let's see. So the UI is really simple in this. Very easy to operate. I'm going to show you some pictures here in a little bit of just, well, not pictures. We're going to take it, I'm just going to show you probably some quick video, maybe some pictures of this maybe outside, as the uses would be, and just show you the beam shots, a little bit of what this can do. Obviously, it's not going to have beam shots like a big flashlight, but that's not this purpose. This is a keychain type EDC flashlight. Now, real quick, just size-wise, this is a AA battery. So size-wise, you get kind of an idea there. This is a quarter, all right? So we'll put this next to the AA battery there, just to give you size-wise. And we'll even get out the tape measure here. So a little under 1 3/4 inches, roughly. So size-wise, not bad. Keychain, or keys, I should say. This is a key fob to a Dodge Ram truck. Just to give you an idea what it would look like on your keychain, once you have the ring on there and everything. But again, I just really like the size. I think the 30 lumens is going to be very useful. Especially if let's say you're out somewhere and you need a little bit more light for an extended period of time. So you get an hour and 10 minutes out of 30 lumens. And if you need a lot of light real fast, 120 lumens for 3 minutes before it drops down to 65 lumens, which 65 lumens is still really, really useful. Max beam distance is 29 meters, just if I hadn't gone over that. And so, again, UI is pretty simple, very easy to use. I like the breather mode in case you set your keys down and you need to know where your keys are. A lot of people will set their keys down and forget where they are. So if you do this at night or whatever, even during the day a little bit, you'll see the glowing light there telling you where your keys are. All right, so it's pretty handy. And again, you can lock that out by just putting it into lockout mode. So very useful. We're going to go ahead and do a couple beam shots, I guess, at night, just to give you an idea how this is. Probably not going to be a whole lot to show on 2 lumens, but the 30 lumens and 120 lumens, I think you'll see definitely the usefulness of that light. Again, really like its lithium-ion battery, rechargeable. I like its micro USB rechargeable. So really fantastic, great little EDC light. Now, the normal price on GearBest.com is, as of today, January 26, 2019, is $21.93. With a coupon code below, you're going to get this for $16.99. So nice little deal there. It's not a terribly expensive flashlight, so this is very budget friendly for a lot of people that need a small little flashlight to carry with them for all kinds of purposes. Putting your key in a keyhole in the front door, looking for something in your car that's fallen at night. All kinds of uses. I mean, the uses is boundless as far as what this could be used for and what you need it for. So, again, really cool little flashlight. All right, let's do take it outside, do some little beam shots. And again, thank you so much to GearBest.com. Please please check out the links below. Please purchase through that link. I really appreciate GearBest sending me the flashlight here, and there looks like they're going to be sending me more flashlights, especially if the interest generated for my videos does really well for them. So hopefully it'll be a win-win for everybody. So anyway, let's go out and do some quick beam shots on this, and we'll go from there. Okay, real quick before I did the beam shots, I didn't get a chance to show you how to get to the USB port to charge this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to unscrew this a little bit, and you're just going to pull it out, and you can see the USB mini port there to charge it. And then you just push it back together, and you close it all the way, screw it back together, and there you go. That's how you would get to the port to USB recharge this with the USB Type Mini. So all right, let's go outside and do some beam shots here for you. Okay, I'm outside here with the Rofis TC1 EDC keychain flashlight. I'm going to go ahead and let's turn it on here. So I got it on 2 lumens. Not a lot of detail, but you can kind of see where you're walking around. So, you know, I'm also going to do some indoor shots after this. So this is just a real quick outside so you can kind of get an idea. Let's bump it up to the 30 lumens. You know, 30 lumens now, you're starting to see a lot more detail. You know, definitely better. Definitely walk around. It's got a great run time at 30 lumens. Bump it up again. 120 lumens. Again, see quite well. It's going to bump down to the next setting, 65 lumens. This is 65 lumens. And then it bump it down again and goes back to 2 lumens. All right, that's the outdoor, and let's do the indoor next here. Okay, I'm here inside my house with the Rofis TC1 keychain EDC flashlight. Go ahead and turn it on here. This is 2 lumens, and let me get there we go. Now, obviously, if you had in your keychain, let's say, and you needed to get your key inside the door at night to open your house or what have you. Again, 2 lumens, very useful. You know, just look around the house here, in the dining room here, and you can still make out pretty good. Again, at 2 lumens runs for 420 minutes, so pretty long run time here for such a small flashlight. I'm going to go ahead and bump it up. This is 30 lumens. Obviously, you can see how useful this is. This will run for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And whether you're inside or outside, you can pretty much walk around and see where you need to go with no issues. So let's bump it up again. This is 120 lumens. This will run for 3 minutes at 120 lumens and drop down to 65 lumens for another 45 minutes. This is 65 lumens. Again, very useful. And when you drop back down, it goes back down to 2 lumens. Real quick, I want to show you the breather mode. So I'm going to turn this off for a second. And this is the breather mode. So real handy if you need to set your keys down somewhere, or here, I'll put it on the table here. So you can see from a pretty good distance in the dark, you know, if you had that attached to your keys or another object and you wanted to be able to find them in the dark, real easy to see with the breather mode. And the breather mode, I'm sure, has extremely long run times due to the amount of power it uses. And we're back. All right, we're back here to 30 lumens. So again, I want to say a shout out to GearBest.com for sending this to me. There will be links below along with a coupon code to get this flashlight. So a really, really good price there. And I want to say thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, comment, and share this video. I'm going to have several more videos coming out. So look forward to that. And again, thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very, very cool EDC flashlight. So anyway, take care, guys, and happy lumens.